so bright, said, do not fear, he is alive. Rejoice.
Let's hear our brothers and sisters from North to Chapel. Rejoice, take courage, return to Galilee.
Manbuntag mga igsoon! Buenos dias! Ugay sa acronym, Presence of God inside.
Take courage, because He wants you all back to Galilee. And I am Danny Simangan, your tour guide.
Come and you will see.
Sorrow will turn into joy.
It is just rightful that we focus on Him.
Tayo pong lahat ay inaatasan ng ating Panginoong Kristo through the vision.
Lord, I offer you my love. Lord, I offer my praise to you, lifting our praise to you. Lord, I offer you my love. Let us all rise and proclaim the good news of God.